Welcome back to my channel. I know you saw my thumbnail, but that's not the box I'm talking about. This is the box I'm talking about. I know you can get something wonderful, awesome, beautiful from a box. So let's get into the video and see what I did with this box.
Join us in the chat, let the creativity gleam. Hit that like button, subscribe right now. Get ready to have fun, let's all shout out loud. Let's all shout out loud. Let's start the party, here we go. Living it up, it's a Sandy Key show. Grab your friends and gather round. It's time for DIY. Let's get down. From crafting treasures to homemade treats, we got it all, so take a seat. Get your glue gun and paintbrush ready. We're gonna make things cool and steady. Welcome to Sandy Key DIY live stream. Join us in the chat, let the creativity gleam. Hit that like button, subscribe right now. Get ready to have fun, let's all shout out loud. Let's all shout out loud.